The iconic N95 is making a powerful comeback in 2027, and smartphone fans around the world are already excited. Once known as one of the greatest phones in history, the new Nokia N95 2027 combines classic nostalgia with futuristic technology. For tech lovers and longtime Nokia fans, this smartphone could become one of the biggest surprises of the year. The first thing that grabs attention is its premium and stylish design. Nokia has reportedly kept the legendary sliding design inspiration while adding a modern flagship touch. The phone features a stunning edge-to-edge AMOLED display with ultra-slim bezels and a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Watching videos, gaming, and scrolling through apps feels incredibly fast and immersive. The display is expected to support 4K resolution, giving users crystal-clear visuals and vibrant colors. Performance-wise, the Nokia N95 2027 looks ready to compete with the biggest flagship phones in the market. Rumors suggest it could be powered by the latest Snapdragon flagship processor combined with up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB internal storage. This means users can enjoy heavy gaming, multitasking, and video editing without any lag. Whether you are a gamer, content creator, or everyday user, this phone promises lightning-fast speed and smooth performance. One of the biggest highlights of the Nokia N95 2027 is its camera system. Nokia has always been famous for camera innovation, and this device may continue that legacy. The smartphone is expected to feature a massive 200 megapixels primary camera with advanced AI photography features. Low-light shots, cinematic videos, and ultra-wide photography could look absolutely stunning. There are also rumors about 8K video recording and professional zoom technology that can rival DSLR cameras. Selfie lovers may get a powerful front camera with AI beauty enhancement and 4K video support. Battery life is another area where the Nokia N95 2027 could impress users. Reports indicate a huge 7000 mAh battery with ultra-fast 180W charging support. Imagine charging your phone from 0% to 100% in just a few minutes. Wireless charging and reverse charging features may also be included, making the device even more premium and convenient. The smartphone is also expected to come with advanced security features like an under-display fingerprint scanner and AI face unlock. Running on the latest Android version with Nokia's clean and smooth software experience, users can expect fast updates and minimal bloatware. What truly makes the Nokia N95 2027 special is the emotional connection it creates. It brings back memories of the golden era of mobile phones while delivering futuristic flagship-level features. For many users, this device is not just a smartphone, it is the rebirth of a legend. If Nokia launches the N95 2027 with these incredible specifications, it could easily become one of the most talked about smartphones of the year. The combination of nostalgia, innovation, premium design, and powerful performance makes this device a dream phone for millions of fans worldwide. Stay connected with Upcoming Smartphones Hub for more exciting smartphone leaks, reviews, and tech updates.